faster. Good one. Faster, faster. Faster, faster, come on. Very good, very good.
Come on, carry on, come on, hurry up.
Come on, girls, faster. Who's coming first? Last one, go. Much better. There you go. Yeah. Move it. She's done already. You don't have to do that. Yeah. Second. Turn around the side. Good. Enjoyed? What did you learn from this exercise? Come closer and make a semicircle. Yeah. Work. Again. Stand on your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like one semicircle. Come on. Stay there. Okay, good. Where's your line? Where's your teeth? Stay together. Like in a semicircle. Wherever the coach talks to you, stay in a semicircle. So I can see everybody and you can see the coach. Coach on your line there. Yeah. Come this side. Come forward. Don't stand behind each other. Alright, good. Stop. Alright, good. Okay, so always face the sun. The coach will face the sun and you will face your back to the sun. Okay? Your back to the sun. Coach will face the sun in a semicircle nicely and properly. So this is how you line up quickly. Okay? There should not be any gaps like this. You should all look out for each other and make sure that it's done properly. Right? So whatever you do has to be done properly. Otherwise, don't do it. Okay? If you want to do something, do it properly, the best way it can be done. Otherwise, don't do it. Your bib is ulta, change it. Your bib is ulta, change it. Yeah. Take it out. So, I think we are getting late. Your parents all come to pick you up. And now, so slowly, we will. Now, we don't have much time. We have maybe about 6 days to practice. So, when's the next practice? Tomorrow. Okay?
8 AM. 0 period.
We have a 0 period. So, come in the morning.
I can't come in.
What?
So even
Oh, see?
you can do it in the first period.
Huh? Either. Where? Match hai? What time? Okay, then cut behind. Practice. So,
So even after school.
so what is Founders Day? When is Founders Day? Huh?
15.
Of December. Yeah? So what all you are practicing at 0 period?
Boys are coming also 0 period.
Boys are coming. What to do then? What time your buses and what time you get dropped?
So then after break it's fine.
Come a little closer. Girls,
Don't.
little closer. Come here.
So we can come in the break.
Now, girls, do you know all each other?
Yes.
Yeah, you know all each other?
Except for her.
Okay, so learn. Now, we will start. Those who take responsibility, we will become captain, will become vice captain, or everyone will try out. So everybody will have responsibility. Now, the first responsibility for all of us is to be part of this practice. Now, how do we make it possible? I know you have homework to do, you have so many things to do, and then you've got Founders Day practice to do, so many things. But if this is important, if football is important and if it's important for you to be part of the team, then we all have to decide together what is the best time that we can come to practice.
After break. We don't have energy, so straight after break. Straight after break. We can't come.
Okay, girls, you know what? See, we might not have the solution right now. Coach will also think, you will also think, and we will talk to the school also to make a time so that everyone can be present. After break, what happens? What did we have? You must be having classes.
Yes, the weekend.
Is everybody okay after break?
Yes, sir.
Everybody okay? Huh?
So we can do it in
But what you can do is we can request your teacher, right? Tell me which class you are in.
morning.
We can go and ask her that, ma'am, please excuse you. What's your name? Ahana, to be excused. So you excuse yourself from there because you are representing the school and to go play a tournament. So we can ask the teacher or principal to excuse you from a certain period which is not very important.
So after break we can just get a bag and we can play the Chhattu.
Oh, we have classes. So we are going to only play for 40 minutes or so for one period.
In the 7th period. We can miss half an hour. 7 to 6, yeah, then the last.